Welcome to the channel. I am a native Japanese speaker, a Japanese American. I wanted to create short beginner lessons for Japanese with a focus on day-to-day conversations. The goal will be to learn at least 3 new phrases every lesson. In this video, you will learn how to say the following phrases in Japanese. Hello. Yes. No. Let's go this way. Let's go that way. I want this one. I want that one. Watch to the end of the video for a review slide and a bonus slang word. Let's start. 始めよう. Set 1. こんにちは means hello. Let's practice saying hello. こんにちは. Great job. Hai means yes. Iie means no. Let's practice saying yes and no. Hai. Iie. Now it's your turn to try. Hai. Iie. Great job. Set 2. 行こう means let's go. こっち means this way or this one. あっち means that way or that one. Let's practice saying this way or that way. こっちに行こう Let's go this way. あっちに行こう Let's go that way. Using formal language, you would add "shou" to the end of the sentence. こっちに行きましょうあっちに行きましょう Great job! Set 3. 欲しい I want it. これ This. あれ That. どっち欲しい Which one do you want? これ欲しい I want this one. あれ欲しい I want that one. To make it formal, add desu to the end. どっち欲しいですか The ka makes it a question. これ欲しいです。あれ欲しいです。Great job! Here is a summary of the lesson. Practice saying each word. こんにちは。はい。いいえ。行こう。こっち。あっち。欲しい。これ。あれ。 take a screenshot of this slide to review. The bonus slang word for this lesson is "eh." This is an informal expression of surprise, meaning "what?" Thank you for watching. Arigato. If you liked the video, please like the video and hit subscribe.